Action. Wow, Blender World is kind of cool. I wonder if they still have Alexa. Alexa, turn on the lights. She tried. That's something. I think we got this handy button here. Let's see what it does. Beep. Awesome. It's pretty sweet. I did make my own sound effect because in Blender World you kind of have to do that. I don't think it has any sound design software built in. But yeah, this is Blender World. We got a primitive cube, primitive sphere, even a button. Get out of here, button. All right. So yeah, Blender World. You can create whatever you want here. Right now we just got little shapes that are default in Blender, but this cube right here, I can make it whatever I want. I can make it Suzanne the monkey. Wow, that's pretty cool, Suzanne. You stay with it. So yeah, Blender, you can create whatever you want, and it's as easy as going to blender.org and giving it a download. I recommend downloading Blender 2.82. It's the most current version out right now, and it's stable. It's not going to crash that much on you, but you can make it crash, so be careful. You can create whatever environment you want. Right now, I'm sitting in the Holler studio in front of a green screen. I got 2 lights on me, and I got 1 light helping to light that green screen up. You don't need all this. You can just cut yourself out later using rotoscoping in your video compositing software later. But this makes your life a heck of a lot easier. You can just go in Blender, create your own character, and create your own little movie or whatever you want in there. So don't be afraid. We're gonna have plenty of Blender tutorials coming your way real soon. So check it out. From everyone here at the Holler, we'll holler at you later.